Hey guys, you're welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will be reviewing this Kiki professional clipper. I just got mine off the internet, so I'll be showing you everything inside. I'll be unboxing it officially with you, and then we will be testing it out. Maybe I could be moved to use it to shave up my hair or my beard. So this is it. Just received it from Jumia, and I've provided the link below in case you want to buy that, so you can just please follow that link and purchase it. This is the Kiki cordless hair clipper sets, classic style as written. It has the product code NG-888B, and then is the Kiki New Gain professional hair clipper for barbers. There are quite some inscriptions, some writings on it. It says hair clipper is suitable for home use, also for professional and salon use. High precision carbon steel blade, super sharp and low noise with battery capacity LED indicator. It using high tech permanent magneto motor. That means it won't get hot for continuous use and long life. Input 100 to 240 volts, 50/60 hertz. It has lithium. It's powered by lithium battery of 2000 mAh. It has a cord that you can use for charging, and of course you can unplug the cord if you want it to be cordless. Also, it is written here that this will take you about 4 to 5 hours to charge, but it will also last you up to 300 minutes. You can divide that by 60 to give you how many hours that's going to last you in continuous usage. And then it says overcharge and over discharge protection, 6,000 RPM, that should be rotation per minute, quick charge, then perfect grooming results, then LED capacity indicator, and then it's made up of permanent magnet motor. So let's go ahead and open this. So when you open this, this is what you have inside. On opening it, you have, of course, the user manual, which from what I've read here, it's actually very important that you go through this user manual before you use this. There are a couple of very important information that are here, including how to change the various blades and how to charge it and when to use it and all whatnot. It's all in this user manual, so please, when you get this, endeavor to read the manual before usage. And then here next we have the power adapter, 5.0 volts, 1000 mAh, 50 to 60 hertz, 100 to 240 volts. Of course, made in China. Everything is made in China. Then I have, of course, the brush for the cleaning. Then there are the combs. We have the combs, of course. 13mm comb is all made up of plastic, but it seems to be solid enough for use. Then you have 3mm comb. A 3mm comb, also made up of plastic. Then you have another comb, 10mm comb, here also made up of plastic. Another comb. Then you have the 6mm comb. Another comb. Oh whoa, that's all, no more combs. Then you have your little bottle of oil. You can see that beautiful little bottle of transparent oil. Don't know what the oil is made up of, but the oil is for, of course, lubricating the clipper. And then finally we have the clipper. So this is the clipper, the main guy here. This is the clipper. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is the clipper. So this is the clipper here. So this is the clipper. As you can see, there is the Kiki logo. Looks like something inspired by scissors. The Kiki logo is right here at the front of it. Is all made up of plastic and some hard plastic at the back here, and then there is a cover for the clipper, which you can just remove by pulling at the back of the clipper here. So this is the clipper, of course. It has the adjustment gear here, then some writings at the back here. Charging time 4 hours, made in China, of course. We know 100 to 240 volts, 50/60 hertz. Model is NG-888B. So also on the blade here, there is a Kiki logo here also on the blade. So let's start this up, boy. As you can hear that solid sound. If you can see, you can also see here the indicator. Currently it's at 96%. So please, when you get this, this is already charged. So once you get it, please endeavor to charge it before use. Okay, that's why I said it's very important for you to go through the manual before you use, because that's one of the things written there. So this is actually vibrating very solidly in the hands, and of course there is really no much noise to this. Really no much noise to this, and it just comfortably fits into the hand for you to start operation. So I've been running it for about 2 minutes now, still on my 96%. I'm just gonna leave this running for the next 5 minutes. Then let's see. So I'm just gonna try using this right away to do a haircut. Remember that before you change these combs, which allows you to barb at a higher space or whatever, before you do that, please always switch this off before you change. So I'm just gonna impute this. So this is how it looks when you have the biggest. Yeah, this is 30mm comb. When you have this inserted, this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna try using this now. Let's see what's gonna do. So remember to always switch it off before you change the combs. And you pull from the behind when you want to change the comb. But when you want to put on the comb, you put it on this way. Here comes first. Then you press it behind. And you hear that sound, it means it's in place. So I'm just gonna start this again.
You got a reason to hit on me. This shit ain't new to me. My vibe bring nothing but peace to me. This shit is real to me, Hey, I got no enemies.
So I've been running this for about 5 minutes now, and this is cool actually. We are still at 95%. I started running this at 96%, and it's up to 5 minutes now, and we're still at 95%, guys. So this is cool. This is really cool. Okay, we just entered 94% now. I actually used this as I yesterday I had a full mustache this way, and I was kind of feeling old and old boyish, so I kind of used this to, you know, reduce this by myself. And you know, I didn't go to the salon actually. I used this. I used Kiki. So guys, this is Kiki. This is the Kiki, and this is the product. I feel it's a solid product to have. I'm already impressed, and of course, no man should actually be sharing. I'm gonna show you some. No man should actually be sharing clippers with other men to avoid bombs and diseases that can be transferred through the blood. For real. Some of these barber shops, they don't really sterilize properly before they reuse their clippers on other people, and these are blades. So I would really suggest that you get this. If you want to get this, you can check on the link below. The link below, I've provided a link where you can buy this at an affordable price. As of today, that's the day that this video was posted. This is just about 6,000 naira on Jumia. That is just about $13, maybe $15 or thereabout. So yeah, it's really a good worth for the money. So if you want to go for this, really go for it. I've provided the link below. And then guys, that is it. I really have to resume my barbing now. Please, it's just for the hair, right, ladies, this is just for hair. Okay, yeah. So guys, that's it today for the review of this Kiki clipper. You can drop your questions on the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer any questions you have about this product. Thank you so much. My name is NG-888.